welcome back to another video working on the Camaro. Today we got two packages. We got the fuel tank and we got the supply thing. We're gonna be running the lines today too. And yeah.
So we're gonna jack it up. I'm gonna have Gordo and Gio. They're gonna put the tank on it, and then we're gonna run the fuel hose all the way to the engine, and maybe hear it run. I did get the carburetor that came with the car is junk. It kept just flooding the motor, and I had a cheap Edelbrock one that I thought it was junk in the garage, and I was gonna throw away several times, but I ended up never throwing it away. Cleaned it up, put it together, put it on the car, and the goddamn thing works. I was never a big fan of Edelbrock carburetors, but hey, changed my mind. It works. It saved me $300-400 on a brand new carburetor. You know, so we saved some money there. So Gordo, go back and grab the jack. Right here, it's right here. You're gonna put it. Get down here. You're gonna put it on the bottom of that. Put it in.
There.
Right, you're right center. Pick up. Turn it. Pick up. Nope, turn it more. Pick it up. Okay, jack it up.
Okay.
All the way up, up, down, all the way up. There you go. Down. Keep going. Faster. Faster. Alright, that's good enough. Now go grab those big jacks over there. Both of them.
Did I play somewhere?
Alright, you give me one and you put one. Here. Right on there. Yeah.
What?
Go. You gotta lift it. You gotta lift the neck.
Okay. Oh.
Take it out. And you lift. And one more. No, that's the lever to release it.
Oh.
Lift it up all the way. Lift.
Oh.
Use your muscles.
And so I push out, and I lift.
No, all you gotta do is lift. Move your hand. Move your hand. Now lift. Go. Lift it.
That's all I'm doing. Lift. Oh.
Push it in. Nope, you gotta fix it straight. You gotta fix it. Look at mine. You see how mine's straight? Yours is crooked. Look at the bottom. It's supposed to be straight this way.
There.
Alright, what's your... Okay. So, you see how the jack is loose? Now, shake the car as hard as you can.
Okay.
Hard.
Okay.
Hard. Grab it with both hands and shake it back up and down, up and down.
Oh, up and down.
Yeah. That's not what I meant, but shake it.
Back and forth?
Back and forth. Shake it. Shake it.
Oh, that.
That's good, right? It's not gonna fall. So that's what you do every time you put a jacks and your jack stands. Why do you do that, Gordo?
So to make sure it doesn't fall straight on you.
Yeah. Alright. So we got to open the box. So Gio got ahead of us and he unboxed everything.
Dude.
So this is a new fuel tank. Our sponsor bought it for us. Who's our sponsor?
Don't know.
Who bought it? Check the receipt. Who bought it?
Where is it?
Jill ripped that already. Okay.
Oh.
Who's our sponsor?
Mine.
My wife bought us the fuel tank and everything for the car. So this is the fuel tank.
Wait.
We're gonna get it ready.
Wait, Gio, I need some. Chill. I need some chill. Oh.
Some bad news and some bad news. So we got everything from Jags. All right. Jags. So they gave us fuel tank, the rails, but the fuel supply system that goes in here, it tells us how much gas there is and stuff, did not come in. So
Without that, we can't do it.
without that, we can't do it. So, all right, we'll see you guys in a couple minutes or seconds because it'll take us a while. It'll take you a second.
We got our fuel tank, the thick part that we were missing, fuel tank, the thing that goes in here. And yeah, this is gonna tell us how much we have in the fuel tank. And yeah, so we're gonna start it today.
So we're gonna install this, and then we got the car in the garage already. Again, we had to move it so we can put the fuel tank inside. So here we go.
Okay, we'll go.
I feel like this is bad. So, we got it installed here. I had to bend this pipe for some reason. Hopefully it's not in the wrong direction, but there. Alright. Give me a 5/8. That's why I told you, leave them outside.
Leave what outside?
The wrenches. Just leave them outside.
It was a 5/8, right?
Yeah, 5-8.
Hey, you need another wrench?
Well, I'm trying to get this nut, but I can't get it in. Nope. Go in the cajon and find me. Wait for a hammer. We got some. Oh! We got one of the plastic tail lights. So, we just need the clear one and we can install them. Mira, babe.
Nice.
No hammer? I had it out, but I had to hammer it out because it didn't work. So. Trying to see if I can. Let's see if we can get this out. So we're trying to get it out. We were able to save one bolt. So you might be able to put the. Give me the PB blaster. It's on the other side.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Right there, Gordo. Somewhere. Oh, it's in the back of the car.
What's a puberty blaster?
It's that spray that I used.
This? This?
Yeah.
Hey, can we see it?
Oh, I heard puberty blaster.
cool it off a little bit. So we're gonna finish installing the fuel tank. Gordo,
Yeah?
I need you to look and make sure that it goes into the hose.
Where it goes in the hole.
Right here, this one. Look, to the bumper.
Oh, that's
It's gonna go in this.
oh, this little hole back here.
Yeah.
I have to go in there. Okay. So it has to be sticking out.
It has to get into the hose.
Oh, and that big hose.
Do you see it or no?
Yeah.
Is it in?
No. You gotta tilt it more like this. Like that. Perfect. There you go.
Is it in?
Yeah, now it's in.
What? Put it.
Put
Uh-huh. It came out.
Alright. Is that like a connect? Just a connect? Oh, it just came out. There's a hole. You gotta push it more in. You gotta tilt it. Yep.
Where's Jill? Call Jill.
It was just right here.
Where is it? Here, Gordo. You're gonna help, dude. So don't stop watching cartoons. Here's the camera. You're recording.
Huh?
You don't move that much. Ready?
Hey,
I'm just gonna put this fuel tank.
I'm blazing it right here.
Alright, I'm gonna pull the fuel tank. Can you make sure this goes into the hole? Gordo, I need space, Gordo. Right here. Look down here, dude.
Huh?
Over here.
Oh, there.
Make sure it goes into here.
Okay. Wait, into this one?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah, it's in there.
Okay, start it. Get the nuts. They're right next to me.
What the-
Get down, Jill. Get a washer and the nuts. Oh, here, on my left hand side.
Okay, so I'll put the washer first.
Put the washer over here. Okay.
Alright.
Washer and nut. Hurry. No, it's back there. Wait, until fish with food.
this way.
Come on, come on. Alright, that's good. Put the other one on.
We're almost there. We're almost done. It's in.
You might want to pause that.
Pause it, Gordo.
Real quick and then come back. I'll get you
Yeah?
the drink and everything. Go.
I got it.
Yep.
Does it?
That's it. So that's installed. So we finished off the what, Gordo?
I forgot what it's called.
Pause it. Pause it.
The fuel tank.
Our fuel tank. So we finished off the fuel tank. Get you a better view. Got it all strapped in. We got the line ran. We got the cap on it. We're gonna add some fuel today. Who wants to do the honors of adding the fuel? Go help Gio at the fuel.
Dad, I'm camera guy.
You're not a very good camera guy, Gordo.
What?
Could you do this? Watch. Wait, stop.
It's weekend.
Oh, it's leaking. You might have to go, you buddy. I'll hold it. I think the plastic hold is ripped.
There you go.
Go, slowly. Nope, nope, nope. You're dumping it through the outside. You gotta shove the hose in.
Go ahead, hold up. There's no? Okay.
Yeah, you gotta put the hose in, dude. You're on the edge. Here, Gordo.
No, like, what do you mean? Like, I'm...
You're putting it right here, and it's.
Body cut.
I'll check that.
I saw my life left before my eyes.
And this is,
Hey, you just sprayed gas on my face.
uh,
Oh my eyes.
I need to push it all the way. There we go. Oh, just doing it wrong.
Give me that rag. It's on.
What?
I gotta replace this hose.
Where's
That rubber hose. There's a rag on the table. Wait for the thing to hit me in the face. Right, now we- Let's go. The hose is dry around it. It dried out. And just like that, we have no leaks.
You're gonna kill it.
Alright, put it over there.
Mommy.
Take this out, put it out back. So, the hose that goes from the tank is, I guess, all cracked and dried. So, I'll have to replace that later. We dropped some fuel. We did get, a guy had some seats, so I ended up cutting everything off. Flip it over.
Okay, so I don't think that was supposed to happen. Oh wait, it might have because this.
Yeah, there you go.
There we go.
So we're gonna put these racing seats in it, cause we don't have.
We can paint it.
We're gonna paint this black, so we can have
Red
some.
stitching. It look nice.
Oh, you want to paint this red?
Oh, that would actually look nice.
You think so? Oh, we'll see if they have that vinyl spray
Yeah.
in red, and we'll clean them up and paint them. I got the other ones pretty beat up, but that's what we're gonna put in there. So that'll wrap it up for this video. So Gordo, don't forget to what?
Like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification button.
Okay, it's gonna take a bit, but I took a picture.
What was that? Hey,
Babe.
look how I walk.
Oh, don't do that! Don't touch Cena!